Hey guys, so I'm going to just do a very quick video on this Grow It bonsai kit. So when you first open up the kit, you've got your 4 packets of mixed bonsai seeds. There's 5 wooden plant markers. And then there's also 5 growing pots made from coconut husk, and it comes with these compost discs, which you've also got 5 of. You add them to water and then they expand. So here we have the instructions on what to do. You'd place your compost disc in one of the little pots and then you would water it. After the compost has expanded, you would then bury the seeds around about 3 centimetres deep in that. Then you would place the pot in a plastic bag or put cling film over it just so it keeps all the humidity in. You'd keep it like this for around about 2 to 3 weeks. So after these 2 to 3 weeks, you would then proceed to put the seeds into the fridge for around about 5 weeks. And then after the 5 weeks, you take them out of the fridge and you return them back to the temperature you had initially when they were kind of just first placed in there. So out of the 4 packs of seeds, there's growth on 2 of them, and then there's no growth in 2 pots as well. So we'll just see what happens. I mean, in short, the kit is really easy to use, and 2 of the 4 have started sprouting, but they kind of started sprouting before I put them in the fridge, and now they've kind of slowed down, so I'm not too sure whether they will kind of do anything. I mean, I started the kit end of May, and now we're into kind of like July, and there's like the most tiniest little bit of growth, so you've kind of got to be very patient. It's quite useful to write down like the dates you started, the process on the instructions, so you kind of don't forget where you're at and when to water them as well. But yes, I will see.